Stewed recipe. 1.5 pounds, 680 grams beef stew meat, cubed, 2 tablespoons vegetable oil. 1 onion, chopped, 2 cloves garlic, minced, 4 cups beef broth, 2 tablespoons tomato paste. 1 teaspoon Worcestershire sauce, 1 teaspoon dried thyme. 2 bay leaves, 4 carrots, peeled and sliced, 3 potatoes, peeled and diced, salt and pepper to taste. Chopped fresh parsley for garnish optional. 1. In a large pot or Dutch oven. Heat the vegetable oil over medium-high heat. Add the cubed beef and brown on all sides. Remove the beef from the pot and set it aside. 2. In the same pot, add chopped onions and minced garlic. Sauté until the onions are translucent. 3. Add the browned beef back to the pot. Stir in beef broth, tomato paste, Worcestershire sauce, dried thyme, bay leaves, salt, and pepper. Bring the mixture to a boil. 4. Reduce the heat to low, cover the pot, and simmer for about 1.5 to 2 hours or until the beef is tender. 5. Add carrots and potatoes to the stew. Continue simmering for an additional 30 to 45 minutes until the vegetables are tender. 6. Taste and adjust seasoning if needed. Remove the bay leaves before serving. 8. Garnish with chopped fresh parsley if desired. Serve your homemade beef stew hot and enjoy a comforting winter meal. I hope you like this recipe, so don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. And on which recipe to make the next video, please tell us in the comment section.